Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Brett's Brain. Today, I'm here to tell you that your idea is worthless. That's right, ideas aren't worth anything. An idea is not what makes a startup. The founding team is what makes a startup. How you execute is what makes a startup. Too often, early stage founders, especially first time founders, are afraid to talk one on one with mentors, advisors, investors about their idea because they think it's going to get stolen. The vast majority of people in this world want to help an entrepreneur. They want to help you. So if you're not telling people, you're not going to get that network. You're not going to get those introductions. You're not going to get that advice that can only help you move your company forward. There's so much upside in talking about what you're doing, and there's very little downside. And in the grand scheme of things, the upside is far, far, far outweighs the downside. So don't be afraid to talk about your idea. And by the way, there's probably already somebody out there doing it. If there's no competition for what you do, you probably have a stupid idea. And finally, once you put your business out there and that idea out there, there's going to be competition that comes, even if there is none at the start. If you have a great idea, other people are going to copy it, and that's okay. That's validation that you had a good idea. You're going to have to out execute them anyways. So don't worry about talking about your idea. Go out there, tell advisors, mentors, investors what you're doing, and see how much it can help your business grow.